Hello, all you beautiful people. Well, today we're just going to tackle a few small things on the car. We're just doing some interior work, stuff like that, and I have Octavian visiting to help with it. So we're changing the radio and also some other stuff in the car. Just gonna have him open the lock on the door. There we go. Hello, sir. So what are we doing today, sir?
Just switching this wire to a Bluetooth.
Perfect.
Bluetooth.
So no more wires yes. No more using another phone just to play music. I did that.
This.
Yes.
You see this?
Yeah, it's
This is horrendous.
Yes, it is. Very impractical, very practical. Judge me. I did what I could with what I had. Now I have better, so it'll be better. I guess. Not sure. Hopefully we'll be able to tackle this, right?
I hope so.
Yeah,
I
easy.
hope the connections are right.
Well, if not, I mean...
If not, just deal with cables.
Yeah, truly.
Oh, sunshine.
Yes. It's warm today, which is good. We have what we need.
Now, just figuring out if it's from the top or the bottom or the sides.
Usually it's the sides, yeah?
Usually it's the sides.
So it's a little bit later. The install of the radio is done. And in between all this time, we have gotten the car checked. It's all good to go for yet another year. And yeah, thank you, Miguel, for helping. Getting an appointment. And of course, David is here, ready to... Well, yeah, I need a new set of those, really.
Just this carpet.
Yeah.
It's worth more than your fucking car.
Don't be rude to the people.
Quack me, please.
The whole thing?
No, just
Just this carpet. Quack, 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 quack. This guy. No, but we're installing the pedals. We're also doing a little bit of interior changing.
Where are the quacking pedals? Here we are.
Yes, the quacking pedals are right there.
Okay, I will show you closer.
There we go, the actual movement.
You quacking people.
Yes. So, based on when everything is done, we will have a new steering wheel, hopefully. You never know. And pedals. What else are we doing today? Yeah, the air inlets as well in the front bumper. Can't wait to show you those. The paintwork on it actually went really well. So, well, let's just get started on our paint for today, I guess, because every 30-minute job lasts 3 hours. If you own a car and you're a car enthusiast, you know exactly what we're talking about.
Okay, I'm just gonna make sure it's okay.
Is it tight?
It has to be tight.
You did a great job, Octavian. You should be very proud.
Whoever will drive this
Will have their feet stuck to the clutch and brake without any problems. Ish. That's probably rubber remains or something. Remains, as if the pedal died. You mean what I think? Jesus Christ.
sir?
No!
No, for sure.
No, I'm not. So after having installed the pedals, we're now going to try to tackle the steering wheel. We'll see if it holds up and gets done. Kind of nervous for this one because, well, if it doesn't go well, can't steer the car. So, no, it'll be fine. Shouldn't be a big issue. People do this all the time, so. So finally, we found out how to not have to cut any wires. But it was a proper pain in the ass to get it out of there. Well done, sir. Well done indeed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So we managed to get the wheel on. It's not done yet, of course. Still need a horn button and all of those things, and of course to put the plastic back on there, just so everything is done. And yeah, but it's looking better, which is good.
So far, so good.
And now we're going to try and re-tackle these. The amount of tape that we were having to use is probably not very beneficial. So in order to make this actually work as we want them to, well, people say use screws, but I don't want to put any screws in the front bumper or in these. So we're gonna give it one more try, and if it doesn't work, well, then it doesn't work. Well, it seems to have finally worked. It's not a perfect fit because this is an aftermarket part, but I mean, it's on there, and I guess we're just gonna have to use a little bit of glue to make it look flush and good. But here's the taste. Check it. So what I'm using is this double-sided tape from Teza, and if you're Portuguese you're probably familiar with this roll, and it's supposedly going to hold 100 kilos. So having the wind pressure actually travel through here, pushing it inwards, this is just to make sure that it actually is connected on the bottom end. So if I turn it around, this is the way it's supposed to be facing, yeah? And on the bottom end here, the plastic doesn't connect. So that's why we're doing this over sure. But it's connected on this side and everything, and it stays quite thoroughly in place with everything else. It's just that, well, that bottom part just doesn't want to stick on there. So we're doing this instead of drilling holes and hurting the quite frail polymer, or whatever you want to call this, but it's quite brittle and hard, so drilling holes in it and such might screw with the quality of it. So we're doing it this way. And seemingly the other one went on as well. Which is good. So now that that's dealt with, well, yesterday was Valentine's Day as well. So happy Valentine's Day, one day after, to all of you who follow us. Hope you had a great one. We spent it with our car, because that's our primary love at the moment. And yeah, be happy you have someone, you know, it matters a lot. Alright guys, I took the car out for a drive. Everything seems to be in order. Everything is staying in the front bumper, but it started raining, so the clean didn't do as much as I was hoping it would do. But hey, it looks pretty good as it is now. And yeah, most of the new parts are in. I'll give you a walk around. And yeah, I know the horn button in the steering wheel didn't stay in place. I'll get that fixed for sure. But as of now, that's how it is. I need longer screws to be able to make sure that it sticks. But the wheel feels absolutely perfect. Very good, great to grip, and smaller than the original, so it's easier to turn. So yeah, got that sporty feeling now in the car as well, so I'm very happy with it. Hopefully you enjoyed the episode as well. Remember to like and subscribe, and of course share this to someone you think would enjoy seeing a bit of a install and such. And again, happy Valentine's Day. See ya.